Today we are going to explore the structure of court systems and the concept of judicial review, a powerful tool that ensures the balance of power and upholds the rule of law. Court systems. Every country has its own unique court system, but most share some common features. Court systems are typically organized into a hierarchical structure with different levels of courts handling different types of cases. Here is a simplified example of a typical court system. Trial courts. These are the first courts where most cases are heard. They are responsible for determining the facts of the case, hearing evidence from witnesses, and applying the law to reach a verdict. Appellate courts. These courts review decisions made by trial courts. They do not rehear the entire case but focus on whether the trial court applied the law correctly. If an appellate court finds errors, it can overturn or modify the lower court's decision. Supreme Court. This is the highest court in the land. It hears appeals from appellate courts and has the final say on matters of law. Supreme Court decisions are binding on all lower courts and have a significant impact on the development of the law. Judicial review. Judicial review is the power of the courts to review and potentially invalidate laws, regulations, or government actions that are inconsistent with a higher law, such as the Constitution. This concept is a cornerstone of many democratic legal systems and serves as a check on the power of the legislative and executive branches. The process of judicial review typically involves a legal challenge brought by an individual or organization who claims that a law or government action violates their rights or is unconstitutional. The court then examines the challenged law or action in light of the Constitution and other relevant legal principles to determine its validity. If the court finds that the law or action is unconstitutional or otherwise unlawful, it can declare it null and void, effectively striking it down. This power of judicial review ensures that the government operates within the bounds of the law and that individual rights and liberties are protected. The importance of judicial review. Upholding the rule of law. Judicial review ensures that the government is accountable to the law and that no one, including government officials, is above the law. Protecting rights and liberties. By reviewing laws and government actions, court can safeguard fundamental rights and freedoms from infringement by the state or other powerful actors. Balancing power. Judicial review acts as a check on the power of the legislative and executive branches, preventing them from exceeding their constitutional authority. Promoting legal certainty. By clarifying the meaning of the law and invalidating unconstitutional laws, judicial review helps to promote legal certainty and stability. Adapting to change. Judicial review allows the legal system to adapt to changing social and political conditions by ensuring that the law remains relevant and responsive to contemporary challenges. Court systems and judicial review are essential components of a well-functioning legal system. They ensure that the law is applied fairly and consistently, that rights are protected, and the government operates within the bounds of the Constitution. By understanding these concepts, you can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of the legal system and its role in promoting justice and upholding the rule of law.